let me share my screen.
Awesome.
I'm gonna teach how to use Usagi for vocab. Oh, could you hear the sound from the movie? Mapping.
Yep.
Okay. Usagi is an application to help create mappings between coding system and the standard concept of ODHSI. It has various features, and the most important feature would be the automatic creation of initial full mapping based on term similarity. Is that it matches the source.
Excuse me, Professor Yu. I think.
Yep.
Can you turn it up a little bit, the volume?
Because I think the volume is kind of like a little bit.
Okay. Let me just do it lively then. Sorry. I'm sorry. Okay. So okay. You can see the screen, and again, Usagi have various features, including making a full mapping between the original concepts and the OMAP standard vocabulary based on term similarity. It means that it matches the terms by using text similarity. So if your text is very similar to the standard vocabulary concept names, then it makes just a lot easier. And it allows filtering the search based on the target vocabulary, domain, concept classes, and it can export your mapping through the source to concept map format. And you can visit the Usagi GitHub here. And I recommend you to read the README file of Usagi from the website, GitHub site. And before starting, you need three things. First of all, since Usagi is Java program, you need Java in your computer. So if you do not have the Java in your computer, please download the Java. Second, you need to download the OMAP standard vocabulary from Athena. So there is a download tab in Athena, and you can download the up-to-date standard vocabulary. In this demo, I will show you how to map Korean drug concepts into OMAP standard vocabulary. So I downloaded RxNorm and RxNorm extension. Third, you need to download Usagi from the release tab of GitHub. So if you go to release tab of Usagi, then you can download the usagi.jar file. Once you activate Usagi, and you can import your original file in format of CSV or Excel, and you need to specify the columns, including source code column and source name column, and other additional columns. Especially there is an ATC column, and I recommend you to add ATC code of you in your drug original drug concepts. It will help you to match right term very a lot. And when you are mapping, you can filter using these various features, including concept classes, vocabulary, and domain. Once Usagi make the original first automatic mapping between the source concepts and the standard OMAP vocabulary, then you can review the Usagi's first mapping. So there are three panels: overview table, select mapping table, and search facility table. You can review Usagi matching in the first panel, and the second panel shows the larger view of proposed mapping. And let me show you how to use Usagi in reality. So these are I uploaded the Usagi Korean drug vocabulary into Usagi. And you need to understand your original coding system and the standard vocabulary of OHDSI. So here, I decreased the target vocabulary into 150 by using the source by using a right source code here. And I found the English term of the each concepts of Korean drug code, and then I matched it with the standard vocabulary. And you can see the initial mapping. These green rows means that I approved its mapping. So I just only just reviewed like tens of these vocabulary until now, and you can see that how it matches a lot. Like these numbers means that how it matches. The higher number means it matches more in terms of the text similarity. Let me show you how to review this. So the original source name is sinacysate hydrochloroside as sinacysate 25 milligram, and recommended concept is sinacysate 30 milligram oral tablet. So there is a mismatch in the dosage. So I'd like to find sinacysate 25 milligram, but there is no 25 sinacysate here. I cannot find it. So I just use query to find only specify only drugs with sinacysate, and when I do this, I can find sinacysate 25 milligram or tablet. Its score is 0.83, a very high score. I replace the the mapping for the original concept, and I approve it. There is approve button here, so I approve it. And next
I have
one.
a question.
Mm-hmm.
Your search term, I see you have the Korean in here, but you also have, you translated into the English as well, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
okay.
I did not translate it. I found just English terms for this.
Ah, okay. So you found the English terms for it.
Right.
Okay.
And if I were smart enough, I will add the text for the the root. So ATB means tablet, BIJ means injection.
Ah, I see.
ACH means capsule. So if I were smart enough, as again, I will add the text like here, oral
Yeah,
tablet
so we
here.
can like you can have a sequel that goes and says
Right.
if this, add that. I see.
Right.
I see.
Like granule, and then the Usagi works much better than this. So
I'm sure somebody in this OHDSI community can write you that script if you tell us the rules. We can write you the script to append to your column.
Right. So yeah, I need to, and if I need to, this factor 500 units, then I'd like to replace this by this and approve it. After this, you can export your mapping. I just export only approved. You can export only approved concept to source to concept map, or you can export a whole mapping system here. Like this, and you can specify the name of the exported file. So that's it. Do you have any questions or comments on it?
No, this is great. So like I said, if you tell us what the rules are and put it out there, I'm sure someone will help you write the script to append it.
Mm-hmm. I will.
Awesome.
Okay. That's it.
Thank you. Last, we have Silva, who is giving us a demo on the data quality dashboard. But from what I understand, it's already recorded. So Jing, you're going to play the recording?
Yes, let me play the recording here.